Looking for a music server to host your own collection? Today, we're comparing Jellyfin versus Navidrome to see which one comes out on top. Jellyfin is a free open source media system that handles movies, TV shows, books, and music. It's like having your own Netflix and Spotify combined. The interface looks great, and you can access your library from anywhere using tons of different apps and clients. Navidrome is a lightweight music server built specifically for audio. It runs well on simple Raspberry Pi Zero and old hardware. The web player is clean and modern, and it works with almost any music app you can think of. Here's the difference. Jellyfin is powerful but needs decent hardware, especially when streaming to multiple devices. Navidrome is super lightweight and barely uses any resources. You can run it on a 10-year-old computer without breaking a sweat. For music specifically, Jellyfin has work to do on star ratings and better play data. Navidrome focuses only on music, so it handles playlists, favorites, and scrobbling perfectly. Plus, it reads your music tags exactly as they are. So, pick Jellyfin if you want one server for everything, movies, shows, and music all in one place. It's great for families sharing different types of media. Choose Navidrome if you only care about music and want something fast that runs on literally anything. Both are free and open source, so you can't go wrong. Try them both and see which one fits your setup. Drop a comment with your pick, and I'll see you in the next video.